Creating robots is a challenge. What if there were tools that allow you to build complex ones with the simplicity of robo-toys? That's exactly why we created CORE2, a dedicated robotic controller. It combines two powerful ARM processors, interfaces for motors and sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity for dedicated cloud access. Over the last 3 years and one successful Kickstarter campaign, our team has developed a rich set of tools and expertise to help you build an advanced robot with the simplicity of Arduino. We are working closely with a community of engineers, makers, and university partners to develop a solution that will enable them to focus on the big idea instead of solving essentials. Husarion prototyping platform allows you to start building simple robots based on LEGO Mindstorms. Iterate on more advanced and finish with a market-ready solution, all using the same controller and softwares. Scaling your project and transitioning to production phase is much easier, cost and time effective. Husarion tools can accelerate the process of building industrial, aerial, or ground-based robots. Writing even complex software for CORE2 is easy. We support the robot operating system, provide our own real-time optimized programming framework based on RTOS with an elegant API to hook up to. The framework is open source and available right now. Final piece of Husarion platform is the cloud. You can easily manage and deploy code to your CORE2-powered robots online. With integrated web IDE, you simply open a web browser and all building tools are ready for you and just work. Need a nice control interface for your robot? The cloud includes web UI that you can customize and even share your robot controls to your friend, if you want. See how the CORE2 can change your robotic business development today. Get it now at crowdsupply.com.